And some no ye chemu I was see a chemu ye na ye de. Because one chemu from beginning e bia na afi na obi hwedwumadie no. Was o sister Sandy na de na akantin chemu de ya na ye. Adwuma de chemu no sister Sandy abaya o ye adwuma wa Adom TV. Eye abrantie bia a friend Showboy a story. Na ekopie mu wa Adom TV ntenten fidie kese ne so. TikTok. My video no engagement no be 1,700 saves, about 500 views. No. About 500 shares, about 200k views. Momonsem emfa Emma Adom TV. Se ya adwuma na che na still no ye gina ye na so a ye promote talent. In fact, you bet me a kind number of artists Adom TV put you on over the years. Unka obi akra bet me aka sister Sandy. Ana Ghana for kwa ye kan obi o promote upcoming na obi tag me so sha me kwa nyam na me bom ho asafo hene. Onko ne ye tag me sister Sandy sister na nsen na ebi mo hwehwe animu a o ma ye mo so mo na promote upcoming. Ba ye start ya che. Enti Showboy your friend Adom ko ne din ba ko any show busy. AKA Papa ye guy. Must me the sister Sandy be a guy. Out of war. Bom my hit or hini. Bom. About times a story I'm quite day. It's what to be a man yen. Yes, you will have for the truth in Tino. Yeah, babo. Because in Crown come Adom TV. Say what say ya bo. Ne bibi ya. The weche yakasa. Showboy. Baby.
I see Adom TV talking about me, and the lady is actually trying to disrespect my brand and everything. First of all, I have respect for ladies, so I will not disrespect you working at Adom TV. Secondly, I just want to put this very clear so I can speak English so you can actually hear me bright since you act like you know everything. I'm a great entertainer and I'm a great performer. And I work so hard and put in so much work in my craft. And sometimes I feel like I want to give up already because the Ghana music industry don't support what we actually do. A lot of creatives in this country gave up on themselves because of the industry not supporting and acknowledging their own kind of talent. It doesn't matter if the artist is talented or not. Give him the chance to showcase his talent as a Ghanaian citizen. That's what the creatives and the Ministry of Health, Education, whatever is about in this country. Cool. I went to Legon to perform for free.
Great. Me pedi all kind say or you full entertainer, and I remember saying that on Monday. Say me who Showboy as a full entertainer. And I'm talking about artists, you know, say what talent and no need talent of for and qualify your mom wa kwenya wa fidie so obi timi be gem na okeke me hey o ma me ne hwan me papa ne hwan ni nyina ya man a chance. We are here for the talent, and I keep saying it. On that note, may I extend a special invitation at your ma papa ya guy. Say ya bonyum sabita frashe ma ya one city mpominia ya ni free epem e fa anyum no a boy because anyum no ya guy. What you say? And you know, yeah, tun safra was a bra free interview because people will actually pay for promotion. And our engagement on the video ya TikTok or na. Who say ko papa? Akwa ni na ya promo to the new formula. Ti promo no me dia mawo. Timinia, me ton safra wate. Our DMs are open. Adom TV, sister Sandy be a guy with the blue tick on Instagram, Facebook. Send me a message, you know. Na bra, me boss it chema, be free air time. Mom Bonyum na me fan trap it. Now was a lie be. Bonyum na men trap ya no pay. Oh, when you know. A town for go stream me mama wate. Stream me a town for. Stream me a town for na yen 2 and 7 or so.